Just like it's impossible to have a sentence without a noun and a verb, similarly, there can't be an animation without timing and spacing. These are the two core concepts in animation. So timing is how long it takes for your graphic to move from point A to point B, considering point A and point B are the key poses or the key frames. Spacing, however, is the number of frames used to get from point A to point B. So this refers essentially to the in-between frames between point A and point B.
So once again, just to demonstrate what timing and spacing is, I have created a very simple ball bounce, and if I were to demonstrate through a diagram what timing is in this animation, I would show it a little bit like this, and you see the line demonstrates the amount of time that it took for the ball to go from left to right, and I've done the math for you, and it is actually taking 1.13 seconds, which is the settings for this animation. So that is timing for you. If I were to demonstrate how spacing would look like in this animation, it would look a little bit like this. Here we have the circles on the top demonstrating the distance between each drawing if it were done in traditional animation. So for instance, because this animation is kind of starting slow, it's taking an anticipation, so it's staying here for a bit, also like squishing a little bit, and that's what we are showing with these multiple frames right in the beginning, and then it shoots up, so it's just one frame in the middle, and then it slows back down here in the top. So again, there are multiple frames drawn here that are close to each other to show you the slow movement. Again, it shoots back down, so there's just one frame. The spacing between those frames and the number of frames I draw shows you the speed of the animation, and then again the drawings get closer to each other to show you the slow down. So here once again, if I play it back, this is what spacing would look like.
So timing and spacing are the two core foundational concepts that every animator must master to be able to animate really well.